So guys, we are talking about this LAL 05A, right?
Santiago is joining. He is just on call.
Okay. Emmanuel,
Yeah.
my friend, we are talking about LAL 30905A.
Okay. Yeah. So it's there. It's in the same.
This
If you
one?
go to. Yeah. See HNL, right, Chairman?
Yeah.
So
So
HNL.
yeah, so this is the process,
Right.
and
So
this
this
is
is
value.
oil level low.
Yeah.
LAL.
No. Yes, correct. So LAL, why oil level will go down? Any minimal LCB, right? LCB remains open.
LCB remains open. So copy that LCB 05 030905.
Correct. You are able to see the screen?
Yes. No, better copy what you already put in our worksheet, not this one. Worksheet already 05. Yeah, that one. And correct
This
it.
one.
Remove. Yeah. 05, right? Correct it. Remove the word open, fully open.
Yes.
All functions fully open only.
Yeah. Fully open.
Yeah, delete the first open. Yeah, that one. Yeah, thank you.
Guys, so if you don't take action on alarm, what will happen? Ultimately,
You will lose the production also, right?
operator has to investigate low level in the tank.
Yeah,
Investigate
low. Yeah.
low level, oil low level. In first separator scenario and take suitable action to prevent trip. So what is the
Yes.
response time? 0 to 5?
2 minutes. Again, this is less than 5 minutes. 0 to 5 again.
This one?
Yeah.
This
Mr.
is
Gu, Mr. Gu and Chairman, sorry. Our system engineer joined. Mr. Santiago joined his meeting.
Okay, very good.